Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got a week and a half left before we lock the gates. And yes, I will be continuing on working for the company, but not as a camp host, as a bathroom painter for a few weeks after I leave this nice campground. Right now we're going to drive over here to number 20, which is the one I've been working on landscaping on and off all summer, and see if we can finish it up before we have to close up. What I'm doing is filling up this red dirt with some little bit of topsoil. It's not much topsoil, but I've got about 4 more buckets to fill up, and I get it right down towards that campsite. There's some dirt piles down there, and I bring it up here and spread it around. So let me get going and finish this section up, because we're expecting rain for the next week. We got rain in the forecast every day for 7 days. Sometimes it's 98 to 100%. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some. There's Zen. He's going to sit in that little shade spot. There he goes. That's his spot. He's going to be on guard while I'm doing some dirt work. Let me back the golf cart down there and we'll get some more dirt picked up. Let's see here. Just got to go right in here. This is an old campsite that was right here, and they put a lot of fill dirt in, a lot of this red dirt, and oh, there's an old bolt that's coming here. So we're going to use our buckets, my metal buckets, and get some dirt. Yeah, it's not the best dirt, but it's a little better than that red dirt up there, so it's pretty loose. I did get news today. Today's Wednesday, and called the mechanic, and my part has arrived. He has it in his shop. Thank goodness. Now he can start putting it together. And just gonna wait on him to call me back and say, come get your bus. So we'll see what happens. Man, this is dusty. Definitely needs rain. Let's see here. Get my little tailgate down. We'll get another bucket and then go dump it out. All kinds of stuff down here. But yeah, we got the part finally arrived after a few days of waiting again. So and maybe he'll get it on this week. But I'm still waiting for my debit cards to show up. They haven't made it, and they haven't even been forwarded from Quartzsite yet. A week ago. So I don't know what's up with that. All right. It's been a week and I haven't even got a notification that they've been sent this way. There we go. All right, let's get up here and dump this stuff out. I gotta be careful because this golf cart will like to pull off the ground. There we go. I'm gonna go over here and dump out this dirt. I'm not gonna water it because we're expecting rain. We had a little rain this morning. I mean, just about 20 drops, but hope I don't get myself dusted out here. Goodness gracious, look at this. Told you we need rain up here. Woo, goodness, it is dry as a bone. Now let me get 2 more, that'll do it. Then I'll be done with this part. Hey, I just did a microphone test. This microphone is supposed to carry 1,000 feet, but I noticed as I went down back here and down in below a lower level, it cut out. So which means it probably does 1,000 feet if it's on a straight plane with the camera. But down here, once again, down the hole. So yeah, well, I see some trash down there. That's why it's good to get off trail once in a while and look around for trash. Let me just go down here and get this piece of trash. It's one thing about it, it's bright and green. Oh, it's a Nerf arrow. That's what it is. Okay, let's see if we can get back out of this hole. Yeah, we had our safety meeting last night over at the next campground. And things are looking up because we have a drawing every safety meeting for somebody who gets a $25 gift card. Yep, that was me this time. First time in 2 seasons I've gotten a gift card. So I'll be using a gift card. There's no doubt about that. But yeah, here's the view of the lake. We'll look around. Rain is coming in, thank goodness. And got all my gravel spread down. Looks a lot better. It's not perfect, but I left the rocks and different things in there look more rustic. So, and all this grass and stuff will grow over it, and flowers you see in the camera, they're growing. So everything will look nice. And eventually we'll be full of greenery. Waiting to see it next year. I might be able to take this straw down next year. We'll see about it when I come. But I know there's a lot of little pine trees that I said that are growing under there. So we'll let them grow for a season and see what happens. Well, at least it looks better. Unless we get a monsoon rain tonight and it washes it all away, but the erosion control will stop it. There's some nice little, see, we got some variety of flowers coming through here. It's gonna look good. There's one aspen tree planted in there too, so that will take over and fill up the entire area. But these little down here, this one here, that is a white fir tree right there. And they're just scattered all along this erosion control. Not near as many as there were. There were like thousands upon thousands. Now they're just a few hundred. So we'll see what happens next season. But we'll get this golf cart back down the hill and enjoy our day. So we're going to wrap this one up and say thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to see you guys on around the campsite. And the good news is the part, as I mentioned, is in Cedar City. Now we just have to wait. We're pretty good at waiting, aren't we, Zen? We're pretty good at waiting.